Welcome to Unit 3, where we delve into the fascinating world of form, meaning, and function. Let's explore what the future holds and how we express it in language. Our lesson objectives are clear. Distinguish between present simple and present progressive, use future sentences with time expressions, make suggestions and responses, and form tag questions correctly. Let's master these skills together. Understanding the difference between present simple and present progressive is crucial. Present simple describes permanent habits and routines, while present progressive focuses on actions happening now or temporary situations. Let's see how these tenses shape our communication. Forming the present progressive is straightforward. Combine am, is, or are with the ing form of the verb. This structure helps us describe ongoing actions, like reading a book or watching a movie. The present simple is formed by adding s or ies to the verb for singular subjects, and using the base form for plural subjects. This tense is perfect for describing regular activities, such as cleaning a room or studying English. The present progressive isn't just for the present, it can also describe future arrangements and scheduled events. For example, my friend is coming next week, or I'm leaving tomorrow. Let's explore how this tense can plan our future. Time expressions are key to understanding when actions occur. Present simple uses words like always and usually, while present progressive uses today and now. These expressions help us pinpoint the timing of actions. Making suggestions is a great way to collaborate. Use phrases like let's, how about, and why don't we to propose ideas. Responding positively or negatively helps us navigate decisions together. Information questions often include probably or maybe to express uncertainty. These words add nuance to our questions, allowing us to explore possibilities and express doubt. Let's look at a daily routine example. She goes to school every day. This sentence uses the present simple to describe a regular activity, highlighting the consistency of her actions. Here's an example of a current activity. She is teaching the students. The present progressive captures the action happening right now, emphasizing the immediacy of her teaching. Consider this daily activity. He plays football every day. The present simple is perfect for describing regular actions, showcasing his love for the sport. Let's explore a current reading example. He is reading a book. The present progressive highlights the ongoing nature of his reading, immersing us in the moment. The moon orbits the earth, a perfect example of a permanent action described by the present simple. This sentence captures the timeless nature of celestial movements. Tag questions are a great way to confirm information. By adding a short question at the end of a statement, we can seek agreement or clarification, making our conversations more interactive. Negative tag questions flip the structure, allowing us to confirm negative statements. This form is useful for ensuring understanding and agreement in conversations. Completing tag questions involves matching the statement with the correct tag. This exercise helps us practice forming questions that seek confirmation or agreement. Let's practice completing tag questions with examples like, they will travel, won't they? This helps us reinforce our understanding of how tag questions work in different contexts. Here's another example. She didn't buy anything, did she? Completing tag questions like this one helps us ensure clarity and agreement in our conversations. Discussing future plans with classmates is a great way to practice using future forms and time expressions. Asking about weekend activities or upcoming events helps us engage in meaningful conversations. Using tag questions in conversations allows us to check information and ensure understanding. This interactive approach makes our discussions more engaging and dynamic. Finally, let's wrap up with a homework assignment. Please complete the exercises on pages 247,248 of your workbook. This will reinforce the concepts we've covered and prepare you for future lessons.